Oh,
What?
why are you attacking me? Huh?
Can't you see you're very useless? All you do in this house is to eat my money and enjoy your life. You can't even take in from, not even one pregnancy, not one.
Paul, I can take everything from you, but definitely not the name calling. I mean, how am I supposed to get pregnant? Huh? When you barely touch me, you're hardly at home to perform your duties. How am I supposed to get pregnant drinking water?
Am I supposed to kill myself on top of you before you take him? Have we not lost count the number of times we have made love? Why is it difficult for you to take him?
Paul, all I know is that I am very fertile. If only you stay back and perform your duties, I know I will get pregnant. So don't put this on me, please. I have a feeling something is about to happen. Something that may stand against what I stand for. How do I unravel what this is all about? Ngwo, 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 my Lord Grandmaster, I need to be attended to. Ngwo, my Lord Grandmaster.
Philomena, what brings you to my private abode?
My Lord Grandmaster, everything is tearing apart.
Two parallel lines cannot meet is a physical phenomenon, but in the spiritual, they meet. That is why the things of the spiritual controls the physical.
My Lord Grandmaster, I need you to unravel this mystery. You have spoken in the language of the deep. Can you break it down for me?
The separation you created in the spirit is beginning to close up. once it closes in the spiritual realm, the physical closure will be immediate and you will not like it.
The separation I created, I do not comprehend. No, that will never happen. Even though they are twins, they will never come together. They have to pay for what their father did to me.
You killed the man and his innocent wife.
There is nobody that is close to Ndulu that is innocent. The sins of the father must be visited upon the children, and the children's children, even to the 4th generation.
If that law you quoted works for you, then you must face it. Count me out.
I have a feeling something is about to happen. But what it is, I do not know.
Oh.
Who's calling by this time?
How would I know? Hello? Hello, good evening. Good evening. Who am I on to, please? Does it mean you don't have my number anymore? Sorry, I lost my phone. I got a new one and I haven't activated my Gmail on it. Who is this? Your brother. Paul. Yes. What happened? How come I can't recognize your voice? My voice is still my voice. I am calling because we need to talk. Listen, I have withdrawn the letter from the lands. You can go ahead and sell the lands so that we know you sold everything. You cut all this feminine nonsense and listen to me. Act like somebody who came out from the loins of Ndulwe. We need to talk like brothers and it's very important. Oh, really? Now you realize we are brothers, isn't it? All this while you never bothered to contact or call me. Listen, if you have come with trouble, I'm going to get you arrested and charge you to court. Peter, we have many things to talk about. Things like what and what? Can you stop this? Calm down from your high horse. Do you know what it took me to pick up my phone to call you? We need to talk and it is important.
What did he say?
Where do you want us to see? I'm coming over to your house tomorrow. Good night.
What did he say?
Oh, we forgot this man. Babe. I'm confused.
Why?
What do you make of this?
My love, I see better days ahead.
What do you mean by that?
It is obvious, my love. God is about to do something great in this family. All you need to do is just loosen up, okay?
Wait, are you sure you're not the one that called Paul? Have you been in contact with him?
Oh, well, since my husband has refused to listen to the falconer as a falcon that he is. God in his infinite mercies has decided to come through the one-termed enigma.
By all means, that's insulting, babe.
You are just too headstrong, unnecessarily stubborn. Why?
I can see you're trying to piss me off, but I won't fall for it.
I am not trying to piss you. Listen to me. I am just happy that we're going to have a united family. God has decided to do something great in our family. Let's just allow that to happen. Okay? Good night.
They are seriously working on their reconciliation so that their lineage will continue. And you know that is not good for me.
Philomena, I have one advice for you, and that is go home.
No, Grandmaster. You can't leave me alone now.
I like to solve problems, especially the ones I created. But I did not create this one, so honestly, I cannot solve them.
My Lord Grandmaster, you cannot abandon me to fate. I have been an ardent follower, for I have followed you pragmatically. I have been a faithful servant. I offer my sacrifices as at when due. Please, Grandmaster.
Twins are not ordinary people. Go and reconcile with them before they reconcile with their chi. Their chi allowed you to manipulate them all these years because they refused to recognize their chi. Reconcile with them, because when the forces finally come against you, you cannot be able to withstand it.
Now you're living with a Calabar girl I am sure in no time you will throw out of your house. Decide and be.
I will not die. I will not allow this to happen. That reconciliation must not hold. Never. Since the Lord Grandmaster has refused to help me, I'll do this my own way.
Thank God. I'm so happy. Oh my God. So finally, Paul has gone to see his brother. This time not for war.
Idejimba, I'm here this early because I want that reconciliation stopped. In fact, I want them dead.
I want to be sure. Very, very sure. Very, very sure. Woman, this is connected to their guardian angels. Their chi.
Tell their chi to stay away. Their father did evil against me. I've already sent him to his ancestors 30 years ago. And if the children should flourish, that means I achieved nothing.
Do you have what it takes to be here and to be there at the same time?
I do not have the power to do anything.
Good.
But I have the money to pay people who can do things. The separation I caused between Dule's children must not close. I want them stopped.
It's all right. 500,000 naira, I will send them to the great beyond.
Idejimba, would you want transfer or cash?
Don't tell me you believe those cock and bull stories. A whole Paul the Enigma. Oh, cock and bull story, is that what you call it? Listen, I'm surprised you're the one saying this. Is this really the reason you came here after all these years? What other reason could be more powerful than this? Look at me, look at my life. Do you think I'm happy with the kind of life I live? You think I'm happy not being married at this age? You think I'm happy studying law and not practicing it, knowing I have the knowledge? Is that it? I spent the whole night reflecting on what your wife said, and I have come to the realization that there is point in what she said. Paul, if you wanted to practice law, you would. Look at me. Am I not practicing what I studied? What is happening to you is as a result of people's lands you sold. It has nothing to do with any curse or any evil girl. What about you? No, look at you. You have been married for years, yet you have not even one single child to show for it. Does that not tell you that something is wrong somewhere? At least I am married. Look at you. All you do is frolic with prostitutes every time. Now you are living with a Calabar girl who I'm sure in no time you will throw out of your house. Decide and fix your life like a man. And stop reading useless meanings into your self-induced setback. I'm not letting the demon in you discourage me. Wait, are you being serious with me? There is a demon in me. And you are the one who is okay, really? I am not here for this. All I am saying is that I have come for us to put heads together and find a solution to our family problem. You're the one who has a problem. Fix it.
Take.
This is an egg.
Yes.
What am I supposed to do with it?
Because they are twins, an egg formed them. That is why they are so identical. Speak whatever you desire into the egg and break it in a junction where 3 rows meet. Leave there immediately without looking back. As the egg split, so shall Peter and Paul split.
You mentioned their names.
Of course.
You know them?
I am not called Idejimba for fun. I am called Idejimba because I am the Idejimba for real. In fact, as I'm talking with you now, they are working towards their reconciliation.
Yes. I want that to be cancelled.
Then go home. Do as I have instructed. In fact, do it on your way back home. And don't forget, go home without looking back.
Now I know why they speak so highly of you. Thank you for everything. When all this is over, I will come and thank you specially. Thank you so much.
Of course, I know you must come. You can now go.
Babe, this of yes, who get this is girl? We are open this gate. You never open it. Why the eczema? Open this gate. Stay here.
What be this? You open this gate?
Hey. Should I call Paul and tell him that there's a big problem going on in his compound? But how can I tell him that?
I'm afraid that is open this gate. I say one of the show myself in the
Who will be? I'm gonna run, go!
It is erroneous to say that I am the one who has a problem. You equally have a problem and we need to put heads together to solve it.
You see, if I had known this was the reason you called me and wanted to sue me, I would have left for work a long time ago.
What are you insinuating? That I shouldn't be here in the first place?
Paul, how can you come to my house and tell me you want us to reconcile as brothers when you have been the one fighting me all the time when I've done nothing to you?
Have you not been listening to everyone? What is wrong with you? Everybody's saying that this is not ordinary, this is not ordinary. It is the making of that evil woman our father was supposed to marry before he jilted her for her mother. Don't you get it? And what is funny about this very important issue?
Paul, do you know how many women I jilted before I married my wife? What's all this talk about a woman laying a curse because her father jilted? This doesn't make any sense to a scientist like me.
And I want to say a very big thank you for convincing Paul to come visit his brother. Yes, dear. My dear, you need to be here to listen to what is coming out of my husband's mouth. Surprisingly, Paul is the one talking reasonably, while my husband is proving so hard to break. You wouldn't believe it. My husband keeps saying that he doesn't believe the revelation from that man. Anyway, my darling, I just believe God is about to open a new page in this family. And I know He will perfect what He has started. Can I call you back, please? Okay, hold on.
I couldn't even tell Dr. Clara when I called her that her brother-in-law's compound is in a mess and chaos. How could I have told her that? Oh God, this is not nice. Paul.
Since you don't want to be reasonable, I'll take my leave.
Oh, sorry. My husband. I know I'm not supposed to be here. But please, I have something very important to share with both of you. After Mr. Hotel Kanandu revealed the cause of my childlessness to me, and the cause of the rift between you two, I brought this back home to my husband. But he rejected it. I'm sorry, but I had to go all the way to his house to expound this mystery. I went home that very day and confronted my husband with the revelation. Up till today, he has vehemently refused to believe me.
Doctor, it is good that you came. I'm going to tell you something that will blow your mind.
I want to get to the root of this matter. I will follow it till the end of it.
Mr. A must not be blamed. He was at the verge of marrying a woman named Philomena. But he realized that it had something to do with deadly cause. He immediately left the woman and married the woman that gave birth to the twins.
Are you serious?
The evil woman who has occultic tendencies was the person that killed the man and his wife with her evil powers. She did not stop at that. Initially, her intention was to kill the twins. But she was explicitly warned to stay away from the twins because the chief guiding the twins does not show mercy. She discontinued but did not stop. She stripped herself naked in an evil junction in the early night and caused the twin boys.
Biko, what is this curse?
The cause is that they will never marry. Should any of them marry, the wife will not conceive. The evil woman invoked a curse on your husband and his twin brother. And that's what they are battling now.
I knew it! I said it!
How would anybody convince me that you and I came out from the same book?
Oh, stop vomiting your limited knowledge of spiritualism. Everything is not science.
Is that supposed to be an insult?
You know, something is beginning to click in my head. No, Clara, reason with me. How come I have never thought about settling down and getting married? Even when I have a no. With me. You know, is a wonderful girl, does everything, takes all my rubbish. I think something is wrong somewhere. How come I have remained static, even seeing that she is a wife material?
That goes a long way to tell you too that something is wrong somewhere. I have been married to you for the past 5 years. I haven't been able to conceive. Obviously, you are not impotent.
Of course, you know the answer to the question.
That is my point. We all know that you are potent. Yet I haven't been able to bear a child. That's why I'm saying that we should find a solution to this problem. Please.
You know what, Clara? You'll invite that man over.
Okay.
To your house? You're the one who has a wife. And God is trying to use your wife to bring solution to us. That man must be invited over, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hey. If you want to smoke that rubbish, take it out of this house. Okay. I will not let this ruin the very good solution we have found to the counter. Clara.
My love, you need to calm down. You're too uptight.
I am calm.
No, you are not.
You can see I'm calm. Bring the man over. Let me listen to him. Let me hear from him firsthand. Maybe, just maybe, I'll hear something I haven't heard before.
You sounded very troubled and worried over the phone. What is the problem? No, you sounded like it was very urgent. I hope there's no problem. What is it?
There is a big problem. Everything is not fine.
What happened?
Doctor, while Paul was at your house this morning, some bunch of lunatics came into this compound shouting, yelling the whole place. A particular girl amongst them, what's her name, Agnes, was just shouting that Paul hired her all through the night and did not pay her.
What? Oh my goodness. I mean, just when I thought that this family is about to experience some change.
Doctor, do you know the funniest part? I was thinking when Paul comes back, he will start yelling at the gate man or myself for seeing such thing and could not do anything about it. But to my greatest surprise, Paul did not yell at me. Rather, he went on his knee, begging that I forgive him.
No. Stop this joke.
I'm serious.
Wait a minute. You mean the Paul you and I know knelt down, pleading? No, that is not true now. Come on, that's a joke.
Do you know he did not just plead? He also asked. He told me that he was ready to change into a man of class and also stop carrying prostitutes.
This is so good to hear. I mean, I can't even believe what I am hearing. I just pray this comes true for us. I mean the reconciliation dinner.
Are you trying to say that the attack launched by this prostitute on him might have him change his mind?
Exactly.
No, I'm not sure. The Paul I saw craves for this reconciliation more than he craves for his pride.
Oh, please. That must be a joke. Craves for what reconciliation? Paul?
I'm serious. He does. Very much.
Ha! My darling, if this happens, I will be the happiest woman on earth. I have been longing for this all my life. And no. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You shouldn't be thanking me.
No, I should. You're a very nice person. And I am hoping we become co-wives. I can't wait. One Calabar and one Igbo woman in the family. It's going to be fire.
I hope so too.
You mean Paul knelt down and apologized to you?
Ah! I was amazed.
Mr. Otokanando, I'm going to repeat what you said to be sure I heard you clearly. My father's only crime was abandoning this woman to marry my mother, right?
Yes. The woman is a very occultist.
Aha, that means she's still alive.
Yes, very much alive.
You're saying my brother and I have been details of this. Hello? Okay, so I need you to track somebody for me. But before I give you the details of how to get to her, I want you to know that you have my express permission to kill her in the most painful way. Once you... What is it? Why would you end my call? Wait. An evil woman manipulates my family and you want me not to kill her? I will tell her that there is something more than cultism. I am Polo the Enigma.
You mean whatever, Mr. Paul? There will be no need for the instruction you were giving. The only thing you need now is to reconcile as brothers. And then the unity will kill the evil occultic woman.
I want to kill her myself.
I will not allow you to do that. There must be a constitution dinner. And once at that, the unity will kill the evil occultic woman. And both of you will, be free as birds.
What jargon can this man call you? What are you saying? You want me to leave somebody who is after my life to come and finish it up?
The solution is simple. Peace and unity. And then we will not die.
Unity and peace and
Good morning. Good morning. You're welcome. Thank you. It was a doctor, Dr. Clara. Okay? Yeah, she recommended this pharmacy to me. And she said I should show you the prescription. Can I see the prescription? Oh, yes. Okay, we have the details. So, here are your drugs. So your money is 7,600. 7,600. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's 8,000 naira. Okay. It's complete. Here is your balance. Thank you very much. All right, thank you very much. Bye.
I honestly cannot believe the extent people would go in doing evil. Our father jilted her, so what? Was she the first woman to be jilted? I'm glad you have started to reason well. That woman must not be allowed to go scot-free.
Listen, the most important thing here is that you two now relate like brothers. That woman should be the least of our worries.
Well, if your husband here says that we should let her be.
Let me borrow a line from Mr. Otokanando. He says, reconciling with your brother will kill that evil woman. You need to forgive her. Let her go.
Anyways, I'm glad that the reconciliation dinner has been scheduled already. I cannot wait for all of this to blow over.
And he says the reconciliation dinner must be held here.
Yes, he said so. Well then, in that case, I will organize a mega party and then ask my boys to fly in all the girls from... Hey, Mba, Paul, no, please. This is strictly a family dinner. Let's leave it at that.
Mm-hmm.
Professor of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Not to worry. By the time all this blows over, I will still take you to the streets.
Oh, no, baby. You're the one that needs to be brought back from the streets. You know, you've stayed there way too long that you're desperately in need of the family.
Can you throw more light on the rubbish you just said?
We do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers and spiritual wickedness in high places. Please face that and leave poor Eno alone.
Oh. You now consider yourself poor after all the money you make off me. And you have the mind to preach the scriptures to Paul the Enigma.
Oh, please, can we not deviate? Something big is coming into the family. We need to concentrate on that.
I am more interested in the fact that you're preaching to me, quoting scriptures. No. Since you and I started living in this house, how many times have you been to church?
Oh, simply because you don't allow me to go to church doesn't mean that I don't read my Bibles or pray every day.
See, do not just annoy me. Please go and get me food. Let me eat.
Okay. I'll be with you shortly.
Preaching to me. In the night now, you open it wide. In the morning, you come and sit on my chair and preach to me the scripture.
Make I turn at the call. Bros, calm down. Make I go come now.
Oga, calm down. Yeah.
Yeah, mom.
Hey, why am I going away?
Yes. Yeah. Hey. Wait, no man, calm down now. This is early. Okay, keep talk. No, come this way. What do you do now? Give me money, make I get it. No man, calm down. I go give you. Make I turn. Yeah, wait. No, wait. Yeah, no, they're going to go. I'll give you. I will give you now. What do you want? What is the sign? Okay, put down for pocket. Give me my money. I never walk. I go tell you from here. That's the money.
Oh, nurse, do we still have a loop in there?
Yes, ma'am.
What of the Flefenac?
Yes.
Just get those drugs ready.
Oh, Dr. Gloria.
Oh, ma, you here?
Yes, I am here. How is the family?
Well, I thank God we're doing great.
Oh, that's very good. Anyway, I came to pick up some drugs from the hospital.
Okay, ma.
Oh, by the way, my darling, I have good news to share with you.
Wow.
My husband and his twin brother are planning on reconciling.
Really?
Can you believe that? After so many years.
You know what? Paul was here some time ago for treatment. Yes. He confided in me that fateful day that someone gave him a cut somewhere in his arms.
Cut? Are you sure about what you just said?
Yes. But I didn't even explain to him that his twin brother owns this place. I just administered treatment on him and he left.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. That's alright.
It's okay.
Do you still have fluconazole available?
Yes.
Follow the enigma. Your girlfriend is a very good cook.
Oh, yes. My babe is a super cook.
I'll say that again. So when are you both planning to take this relationship serious? Of course we are serious. That's why she's living with me in this house. No. Oh, stop laughing. I know the reason I'm asking you. I need an answer. Polo the Enigma has its way with things, so just leave it at that. Paul, don't tell me you have plans to dump her like the others. You want to jilt her? No, I've not said that. Next thing now, you begin to preach to me, reminding me of how our parents were killed because our father jilted a woman. No, not at all. I haven't taken it there. I just want to know your plans. I want you to tell me what you have in mind with her. Peter, you know the person we're talking about is in this house. Can we not discuss this now? Yeah. Good. I feel like something just left my body. I feel the same too. I feel like something left my body. It was some kind of weight. I feel lighter unlike before. Could it be the deliverance Mr. Otokanando talked about? Paul, my brother. Peter, my brother, my blood.
Hey, baby.
How are you?
Fine. This is for you.
Ah, thank you. This
So,
is nice.
baby, how is your brother? Have you guys spoken on the phone today?
You know, since our reconciliation, there is no day that passes that we don't speak on phone.
Wow, I like that.
Today we did not just speak on phone, we saw.
Mm.
Yes, he was at my office earlier.
Wow, babe, you know, I like the way you two get along these days. I'm impressed.
Thank you. And then he asked me to send his regards.
Yeah, that's nice. Well, his wife has been calling too. In fact, she calls every day.
What do you two normally discuss on phone?
Nothing really. She just calls to say thank you for playing a part in your reconciliation.
That's nice of her. Ever since our reconciliation, Peter comes to my office every single day to preach to me to quit the motor park job and start practicing law.
Really? Babe, you've not given it a thought?
Sorry, babe, please get me the cigarettes over there. The pack of cigarettes.
You just want to use this opportunity to quit what we're saying. You can as well smoke when we retire to the bed, baby. But first of all, let's talk about what your brother suggested. Why haven't you been practicing the law you read?
I'm not giving you an answer until you get me the pack of cigarettes.
Okay, I will. Your Royal Majesty, sir. Really? There's nothing here.
Check whether there's a cigarette in it. I'm sorry I have not been concentrating to see the good side of you because of the manipulations of that evil woman. You have turned my life around. You've shown me true love. I want to beg you, please. Marry me. Don't say no, please.
Yes.
Thank you. We are getting married.
Wow!
She has endured a lot because of the love she has for me. I know. Eno is the one for me.
I know. And you know what? Your brother needs to hear this. I mean, this is good news.
Oh, I told him already.
I'm serious.
Yes. One more thing. I have decided to practice law.
Now that is a joke. You are not serious.
I'm serious. I resigned as the chairman of the Union of Road Transport Workers. So I'm glad to announce to you that I'm no longer a tout.
I can't believe all I am here. Oh, congratulations, Edna. Hey, our new wifey, and Obang.
Thank you very much.
Oh, this is amazing. This is so... I need to get a drink. We need to celebrate this. Let me get something. Please, what would you want? What do you want? Anything. Anything is fine. What do you want? We have champagne, brandy, whiskey.
Whatever you offer me.
I will get it right away. Oh my goodness.
Babe. I thought you were supposed to be on morning shift today. How come you're home at this time? Yeah, are you okay?
I fainted at the hospital today.
My God.
Right inside the ward.
What made you faint? Baby? You're pregnant?
8 weeks gone.
Oh my God. Thank you, God. Finally, God has answered our prayers.
Yes, He has. I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for going through the pains of childlessness with me.
You know it never bothered me. I told you in God's time it would happen.
If not for the reconciliation, it wouldn't have happened.
Oh yes. I love you.
Heaven bear me witness. I love you more.
Come here.
Okay, don't complain. Hey. They said I shouldn't stress myself.
Sorry, no stress. Let's go inside.
Carry me.
Oh, sorry.
Now I am the baby.
Whatever it is you want.
My God!
Though confused, but I feel in a peace with you. Know in my heart that I wanna spend my life with you. Don't care what they say, I'm down and I fight for you. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Loving you, girl, not the best, though. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, loving you, loving you, girl. Loving you, girl, not the best, though. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, girl, loving you, girl. I know in my heart what I feel for you. Though confused, but I feel in a peace with you. Know in my heart that I wanna spend my life with you. Don't care what they say, I'm down and I fight for you. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Loving you, girl, not the best, though. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, loving you, loving you, girl. Loving you, girl, not the best, though. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, girl, loving you, girl.